Hey everyone, it's Sel. Welcome back. Today is going to be the first episode in a new series I'm doing on my channel where I take photos that I've pinned to my own Pinterest boards that I love and try to recreate them in real life. We're going to start with these cute camera and phone straps. This is the one that I made along with the inspo pics on my board, and it's super easy to do, so let's just get started. So here is my disposable camera. You can see on the left the hole for the strap, and then I'm using nylon cording. The one on the right was a little bit too thick for this, so I'm going to be using this set here. It is the 0.07 millimeters, and I've even seen people use 0.5. I just couldn't find it. And then I have all of the assorted beads here. My camera one I wanted to make a little bit more durable, so I used larger beads, and then I also made one for my phone which uses the little seed beads at the bottom here, so I will show you both of those. You also need some scissors, and obviously you're going to want to pick your color of nylon cording, and then I used purple, and I have all of my beads just laid out here. So I didn't really know what measurement to use. I didn't really look too far into this. I'm just going based off the picture. So I did about probably between 8 to 12 inches and then doubled, so probably 20 to 24 inches. And then I'm going to first start off by doing the loop at the top. So you're going to want to loop it and then add a knot. I did mine a little bit long. You don't need to leave this long of a loop on it, but I just wanted to be safe because I was using larger beads, and you have to fit all of the beads through the hole at the end. So I just started my loop pretty long and double checked that it fit through and that it had plenty of room to get the beads through, which it did. So we are good to go now. I just started looping all of my beads on. I just alternated between all the different types. My beads are from Michaels, and then I also use some from a website called Bohemian Findings. It's a really great Canadian and US shipping website, so you can check them out. They're like a beading kind of website. And my cording is also from Michaels, and then I have a bunch of miscellaneous dollar store beads as well. So once I have the beads all done, I'm going to pick one final bead. I'm using a pony bead because it has the biggest hole. It's very important that you pick one with a big hole so that the knot will fit in once you're done. Then you're going to want to pull it tight and start doing just a regular double knot, and make sure that you keep the tension very, very tight. This is going to be crucial to make sure that the knot stays underneath the pony bead and you can't see it. So you can see I have it super, super tight, and I'm keeping it super tight the entire time. And once you get it to the knot, you're going to want to pull decently tight but not super tight on it because it can snap. And then once I do that, I just added an extra knot, maybe even 2 extra knots just to be careful. And then I just snipped off the ends and left a little bit of a tail just so that it doesn't fall out of the knot. And then if you are an adult, not a child, you can use a lighter to kind of just like heat up the ends, and it kind of makes it a little bit like gluey and sticky, and it'll just make sure that they can't slip back through the knot. So, but do not do that unless you are of age to use a lighter, obviously. And then you are done. So that is what it looks like. And now I'm just going to throw it onto my camera. On all of my Pinterest pictures, they also had these cute little stickers on their camera, and I found these at Dollarama, and I thought they kind of matched that aesthetic, so I decided to just throw some stickers on there as well, and it ended up being super cute, and I love it. Here is just a super sped up video of me doing my phone one. As you can see, the seed beads take a lot of the weight off of this, so this one is super thin and great for every day when I grab my phone, and I really do like these. I wasn't sure if I was going to like them, but it is a really great way to grab your phone, and I have a super thin Amazon case, and it doesn't seem to slip off my phone that easy either, because I was worried about it ripping the case right off. And so here is it dangling, it's super secure, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video, subscribe because this series will continue all summer long, and I will see you guys in next Monday's video.